Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Google AI Studio for voice generation. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open your web browser and go to Google AI Studio. Once the page loads, sign in using your Google account. After logging in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. Now look for the option called Speech and Music and open it. This feature is used for generating voice audio from text. Then select Gemini model from the list. Here, you have to select which type of voice generation you want. I will simply select this first one. Once you're inside, go to the model settings. Here you can adjust the tone of your model. Next, click on the speaker settings drop-down menu and choose the voice you want to use. You can select whichever voice fits your needs. Above that, you'll also see a scene section, but you can remove it, it doesn't really matter. Next, we have sample context section. Here you can enter simple instructions for the voice style, such as narrator tone, enthusiastic, or calm and professional. Now go to the text field and type the content you want to convert into audio. Enter the exact message you want the AI to speak. After your text is ready, click the Run button. You can also use the keyboard shortcut if available. Then wait a few moments while Google AI Studio processes your text and generates the audio. And that's it! So that's basically how you can use Google AI Studio for voice generation. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks!